Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Five of Pentacles, High Priestess, the Sun, the Moon, Taurus, what's going on? I think you decided to walking away, yes, because maybe this person is backstabbing on you, maybe cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. That's why you decided to walk away, because let's see, we're reading in recent past, Five of Pentacles, High Priestess, the Sun. Definitely they treated you as an option, as a choice, cold shouldering, not treating you well. You started listening to your inner voice, inner self, and the Sun, for some the children's also involved in this connection. You are not happy at all with this person because they are not treating you well. That's why you want to find your own happiness within yourself. So that's why you decided to walk away. That was past. Then present, the Moon, Death, and the Bowl. Definitely for some it was ending between you and your person. For some it could be temporary, for some it could be permanent, but definitely there is one type of ending between you and your person, because one person hiding something from the other person, lot of trust issues, lot of illusions. Some cycles are already ending between you and your person. For some this could be long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries, or states, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Aquarius, or Scorpio especially. I think there is no equal give and take. This is on and off connection. Especially there is no trust between both of you. That's why you decided to walk away. Maybe for some third party situation also involved in this connection. And future, Three of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Star. Yes, you decided to cut off this person from your life. Maybe some communication, maybe they are again trying to communicate with you, but you decided to cut off this person from your life. And Three of Swords, yes, you are heartbroken without this person, but you want to heal from this pain. And the Star, you are in the process of healing. You want to heal yourself. And the Aquarius, the Star, there is something positive is coming in your life in future. Maybe you are not seeing now, but definitely there is something positive shift is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Page of Pentacles. Maybe your person is immature. So let's see their feelings. Taurus. Fire energy, Two of Swords. I think your person is at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they are indecisive right now. Yes, they are unable to make any decision right now. And the Tower, right now they are undergoing some Tower movement because you walked away. For some you decided to walk away. So Four of Wands. For some you both are in twin flame journey, but they want this happiness with you. They want success in this connection, but they are at some crossroads. They have to make some decision before coming towards you. So let's see their intentions. strong Pisces energy. Page of Cups. So yes, they want to say apology to you. I think children's also involved in this connection. This person is immature. Yes, there is lot of drama is going between you and your person, and the moon, lot of secrets. Maybe they are hiding something from you. Maybe you are not trusting them. Two of Wands. Yes, they have to make decision, but right now they're at some crossroads. They are unable to make any decision, but they're thinking about you a lot. I think in proper action, I am not seeing any proper action. Just they are thinking mode. They are in thinking mode. I think you have more than one person fighting for your attention. But I think text is coming, apology. They want to say apology to you. At least you will get communication from your person and in the month of May. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of fire energy or Pisces. Water sign. Yeah, they're suffering in silence and they're thinking about you a lot. Now they're realizing your worth. They're realizing your love towards them and they are stuck on you. They are spiritually awakening regarding this connection. And Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yes, they are in suffering in silence. They are missing you and they're thinking about you a lot. And you both are in long distance relationship. For some, you both live in different cities, countries or states. I think you are holding back. You are not trusting this person. But the love is mutual. Maybe you are not expressing your feelings, but you are also feeling sad for the separation. Because you walked away, it is also very painful for you. But you have to. But you are holding back. But this love is mutual. Two of Cups love. For some, you both could be soulmates also. For some, twin flames. For some soulmates, it depends on your situation, on your journey. But this love is mutual. You both have strong emotions for each other, but you are not trusting them. Taurus. Now they're realizing your worth. Yeah, this connection is stuck right now and they're rushing to communicate with you. Someone is rushing towards the other person to communicate, but this connection right now is stuck because there is no movement. You both are in thinking mode. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Taurus. Lot of abundance is coming. Will you forgive me? I can't give you what you need. Age differences. Yeah, for some you both have age differences. Third party involved. And I realized my mistake. Yes, they realized their mistake. Lot of abundance is coming. Will you forgive me? Third party involved. I can't give you what you need. Age differences. These are the messages and take what resonates. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. But they are realizing their mistake for sure. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe you both are in long distance relationship, you and your loved ones are safe, and bring love into the situation. So these are the messages for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.